Imagine your kid wants to start their own business. How quickly would they get stuck? Would they get stuck designing the logo, creating the app icon, choosing images for a pitch deck, finding stock images for their website, only to find that someone else might have used those images already? When it comes to launching a business, the visuals are important, but it's also time-consuming and not very beginner-friendly. Enter AI in this generation. Hi, I'm Ivy, founder and CEO of Prequel. We help kids 9 to 17 discover themselves and the world through entrepreneurship and world-class mentors. We've been incorporating generative AI in every part of the entrepreneurship experience. For more on how to improve your kids' prompt engineering skills, check out our video here. AI is advancing at a lightning-fast pace, so to future-proof your kids' careers, it's important to make sure they know how to use the technology to their advantage. There's been a ton of emphasis on ChatGPT when it comes to AI tools, but it's not the only awesome AI tool out there. Image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E are also powerful AI tools that can help your kids achieve their goals. AI image generation can produce realistic images in an astonishing variety of styles. Some of these images are so realistic, it's impossible to tell that it was AI generated. Naturally, a lot of the media attention on these tools has focused on the negative consequences of being able to generate an image of anything, the chance of misinformation, fake news, and the inability to use photos as concrete proofs. At Prequel, we agree with those consequences, and they're important to be aware of. But we also like to discuss the unique opportunities that AI brings and how your kids can use it to help them achieve their goals. Here are 3 activities you can do at home to help your kids learn how to use AI generators to be creative and build new projects. The first activity is to create an original logo for a business. This is something people are building entire businesses around. People are helping small businesses design logos, but using AI to generate. Choose a business that your kid wants to start someday, or use an existing business that they think needs a better logo. For example, maybe drive around town or browse the internet for ideas. Next, have your kid brainstorm what kind of logo they want to create. Ask them, what makes a memorable logo? What are some of your favorite logos? What about some of your least favorite logos? What does a logo communicate about a business? How can a logo represent a business's product, values, or personality? Why are logos important? What happens if you have a bad logo? Now go to Midjourney once again and have your kid start to write prompts to generate their logo. Here's a fill-in-the-blank prompt to get started. Prompt Midjourney to give you a vector graphic logo of, insert, simple, minimal, -- no realistic photo details. Fill in the blank with the icon you're wanting, an animal, a shape, or anything else you can dream up. Note that the prompt includes the word -- no, followed by 2 dashes. This is a command your child can use in their prompts to tell the AI what they don't want to include in this image. This can help AI generate better results. The big tip here is that you can actually ask ChatGPT to write you the prompt for Midjourney. Ask ChatGPT something like, I'm designing a logo for a business that does blank. I want blank details to be communicated on the logo and for it to not include blank. Please write me a prompt for image generation. Next, have your child use Midjourney to generate photo advertisements for a company. Companies spend millions on advertising campaigns, hiring photographers, models, and equipment for product photo shoots. Now imagine using AI to do that instead. Try it at home with your kids by first thinking of a popular fashion brand. Then use this prompt to get you started. Style, fashion mood board for, insert, inspired by athletic clothing, hyper-realistic, in the style of blank. Fill in the blanks of the name of the fashion brand. Add the style of famous photographers to further narrow your results. You can also tweak the prompt to generate different clothing styles. This can also be a great exercise for kids to imagine themselves as the art director or fashion designer. After the images are generated, brainstorm how to adjust the prompt so that it can come closer to their original vision, or how to make this advertisement more appealing to the public. You might need to adjust the colors, the movement of the model, the background. Learn how to do that through prompting. The final exercise is to get your child to use Midjourney to design their life. What kind of car do they want? What does the city they want to live in look like? Is it futuristic? What about their bedroom, kitchen, and entire home? Have them think about the details that the image must include first. For example, a bedroom should have a bed, a big window, a mirror, and perhaps a shoe shelf. Can they generate an image that includes all of their details? That takes some prompt skill. Same with their dream car. Can they create their own vision first and then leverage what AI generates to give them more ideas and then adjust their prompt accordingly to get closer to their vision? For those of you that have watched this far, here's a bonus curriculum that has 6 more exercises that will get your kids designing images with AI using a variety of tools. Click the link below in the description to check it out. Each of these activities are designed to help your child practice writing AI prompts, as well as get an idea of the wide variety of ways they might use AI someday to launch a business or excel in their career. With AI image generation, kids can turn AI into their personal graphic designer, photographer, and design assistant. AI is advancing at a lightning fast pace, so future-proof your kids' skill set. Have them learn how to use AI tools. If you're interested in more content like this, sign up for Prequel's weekly newsletter. We give advice and free resources to parents who want their kids to learn the skills to get ahead in school and in life, especially the skills not normally taught in school. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more.